Hello, Melanie.
Why are you dancing?
How are we? Yeah, I love to dance. Yeah.
Me too.
Hello, fellow yummies. Good day. How is everyone? How are you? You're what? You're fantastic. So hi, my name is Sydney, and this little one is Sama. All right. So what do we have for you today, fellow yummies? We have
A cook-off.
a cook-off. Yeah. What kind of cook-off? We have a
3 ingredients.
3 ingredients.
In 1 minute.
Pancake in under a minute. Yeah. Does it sound exciting? I'm already excited. Yeah. Again, it's three ingredients. Yeah. Under a minute. Yeah. So what kind of ingredients do we have?
3.
What is 3 in Tagalog?
Tatlo.
Tatlong ingredients. All right. So in case you're wondering why I have one set here and some in there, because Summer's doing a Milo and I'm doing a Cadbury one. Yeah. So we're gonna see who's gonna have a better product after this.
I can't crack an egg yet.
She can't crack an egg then. This is the time to learn. Yeah. Every day is a learning process. So today, cracking an egg is your learning point. Yeah.
We have 1.
Yeah. So are you ready? Are you ready? Before we start with the
Ingredients.
cook-off, I need to teach her how to crack an egg. So how do you crack an egg?
You get the egg.
Get the egg and then so I'll show
And
you.
what?
Crack it here. Yeah, crack it here or crack it here. What do you think? Here or here? Here? Are you sure?
Yeah.
It seems like I want to try to crack it here. Yeah? What do you think, fellow yummies? Yeah, let's crack it. Let's crack it. Alright, let's crack it here on this side. Yeah, just a light tap. Can you do that? Don't, not all the way through. You have to hold. You have to hold. Do you see a crack?
No.
Do you see a crack? No? Not yet, not yet. Need more strength. Alright, here.
You said
1,
right.
2, 3. You hear that crack? Yeah. So you already see an opening
And then
here.
You put the finger in.
You put, yeah, that's correct. And then just split it open. There you go. Alright, so now, can you say, no, just kidding. One moment, I'll put it on the side.
In the bin.
In the bin. Alright, so, I'll crack, right. And then, one moment. So crack that.
And then do the same thing.
And then do the same thing as what you're doing.
This.
Alright, so now we have 3 ingredients, which is 1 egg, 1/4 cup of self-raising flour, and 1/2 cup of whatever chocolate powder you would want to use. So in this case, what we're using, Summer's side is Milo, and my side is Cadbury. So after we crack the egg, what's the next step? Summer. Show me the moves. Come on, Summer. You're better than that. And then the next one would be the self-raising flour. All right, Summer, can you follow? Good job. And you just have to whisk it. You gotta move it. That's it. Don't use your just whisk it. It's gonna mix up. All right. Then once it's properly mixed, everything, then you put the chocolate powder. How are you doing there? Yeah, that's enough. Then you put your...
Why don't you need a spoon?
So we need a spoon. So someone's asking me why we need a spoon. We need a spoon so we could scoop it out after and put it onto this bowl and microwave that for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Did I answer your question?
Yes.
Very good. What's happening, Sama? Yeah, so if in case it happens like that, I'll show you. Okay, guys, if it gets stuck in your wrist, just tap it a little bit. Tap it. Yeah.
But it's still stuck.
Just mix it like that. Just mix it like that. Why are you laughing?
You copied the song. I like it like that.
There you go. So some is done. I gotta finish mine.
You helped me.
Yeah, that's why you need a spoon. Alright. I'm almost done.
Looks like we're making dalgona again.
Just different.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pancakes.
Pancakes. So I named it, Summer and I named it Pancakes in a Bowl. Alright, use your spoon please, like, see? Like how I do mine. Alright? You can do it. Let me put this on the side. That should be fine. So there we go, guys. We're ready. Let me put this aside so that we're clear of any obstruction. Put this here. So once you're ready, all you got to do is scoop it out and dunk it onto the bowl. Woo! Look at that. Yummies, now that we put the most important thing inside this bowl, all right, we'll come back to you in 2 minutes, but of course you have to cling wrap it before you put it in the microwave. We'll see you in 2 minutes. Okay, Fail Yummies, now we're back. 2 minutes is up. Yeah, so basically we cook it for 45 seconds in the microwave and we came up with this one. Still hot. Ow, ow, ow. Still hot. Yeah, but it came out pretty good. So in terms of color, Summer's Milo is a bit lighter and the Cadbury is a bit darker. But of course, the most important thing of it is you were able to make a pancake out of it. Yeah, and of course, our most favorite segment on this show is the food testing. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
I was going to say tasting.
Tasting. Food testing, food tasting. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. Forks up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So I'll taste mine and you taste yours and you tell everyone how does it taste like. Yeah, still hot. All right. Give it a minute.
A minute.
So of course, fellow yummies, if you have like powdered sugar, you could decorate it with fresh fruits.
Or strawberry.
Or if you have maple syrup at home.
Maple syrup.
Yeah, you could add that up, but we're just saying that you can make a pancake bowl with just 3 ingredients
How do you
under a
make it
minute.
out of the bowl?
Yeah,
How do you
I
take
think
it out
it's
of the bowl?
ready to be tasted.
I mean, how do you
Taste
take it
test.
out of the
Tent.
bowl?
Yeah.
How do you lift it out of the bowl if you want to put it on the plate?
Guys, it's really good. Yeah.
I'm asking.
The softness, it's not too tough. It's not tough. It's a pancake.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, here you go.
I was asking you a
Yeah.
question. You weren't listening.
I am listening. I'm always listening. Yeah. Yeah. Dads always listen.
You didn't answer my question.
Dads always listen. They have very good listening skills, especially when we're asleep. Yeah, good listening skills.
When you're asleep.
I'm just testing you if you're listening. Yeah, took you like 5 minutes to react. So how is it? Can you tell everyone? How does your Milo pancake taste?
Good.
You like it? Yeah, I like it as well. So it's a really quick fix. If you need a quick breakfast or a snack, then this is your answer. So give it a try. Wait, I haven't. Can I taste your Milo? So we could tell them which one is better. Please. Swapping. Don't be messy.
I'm guessing they both taste the same.
What do you think?
They both taste the same.
No. The what?
Burn.
Burning. All right. In my own opinion, all right,
Well, that
You
was
get-
chocolate.
you get more chocolatier taste with the Cadbury than the Milo,
Yeah.
but the Milo, I'm telling you, it's already really good. And then you just need to add fresh fruits or whatever you have at home. It will be a knack up for everyone.
I like that.
Really good. Yeah.
That was a bit easy. Not like the rest of them. They took a long, like
I have more.
we practiced for like an hour last time.
No.
I mean,
You were pretty good.
well, one time we did an hour practicing.
Do you like it? You like it, yeah? So, 2 thumbs up for summer. Yeah? So, we encourage you guys to try it. The recipe is just in our website. So, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is SYQUEST. That's T-Quest. Please subscribe, guys. And follow us on our Facebook, on our Instagram, on our Pinterest. And for recipes, please go to our website, which is
www.yummyforlittletummy.com.
Alrighty, guys. We thank you so much. And again, 3 ingredients under a minute. We hope you do enjoy that and give it a shot at home. And leave your comments. And of course, please, guys, feel free to leave your comments on our webpage or on our Facebook page or anything that you guys have tried. You can feel free to post your food so everyone could see it. All right, guys, thank you so much. Until the next time, yeah?
One thing?
Huh?
Did we say lie?
Like, yeah, we already said like.
I feel sleepy.
You feel sleepy after eating too much chocolate. All right, until the next time, fellow yummies, have a good one. Bye. Bye.